Hi, friend, welcome to L.5.6 channel. So today I show you how to send examination results student on via internet. Do you know already sometimes school or institute they want to issue examination result of student they want to send via the internet. So you can send the Laravel 5.6 step by step. Yes, and we go to the laravel.com and search mail. We click mail and you can find and composer require a Jazz. Yes, when we can send mail, you must install Jazz into the Laravel package. For example, we go to command. Okay, I stop the silver run. Okay, silver run. Okay, pass here and press enter to install Jazz. Yes, but for me, I install already. Then you go to composition. Yes, I installed the app. There is no charger, you must install. Yes. So in the second, I want to create auth, which we action make auth. Okay, right now I create the make auth already. We run server again. Okay, so the login and register as a menu here. Yes, go to command again. Yeah, go to database migration. So I want to create the three table refer to the student, subject, and score because this we create the comment here, which we are send mesh migration. Yes, student table create student. Press enter. Okay. Oh, right on. Press enter. So I create already. Student I want to okay. And this is the subject with the plural. Yes, because we want to create the model Laravel subject. Yeah, and create score table that I want to store the score student. Okay, right now we create the model student. Yes, but for me I create already the student model. This is the student model that I create already. So I create the score model, subject model, and score. Because when I create the model already, we go to migration file. I want to add field. Yes, the student migration. I add table to name. And I use null. Okay, I copy here. First, when I create the cells and go to subject migration file, I want to add one column subject. Okay, and cell and go to score table. I want to add 3 column integers student ID reference to student table, and I use an giant. Okay, copy as here and refresh subject ID and giant and score. We use nullable, and I want to change ID to float. Okay, right now we create relationships foreign student IDs and references. Yes, references ID on student. So I copy here, pass, the subject ID. Because when I create already, we go to .env file. I want to create database exam and user roots. Yes, when I create already, I copy some database and go to create database. As here, we choose UTF-8 general. Okay, right now we run migration file. Migrate. Okay, right now table migration file created successfully. We go to student exam and click to show the relationship. Okay, this is the relationship with migration. Yes. Okay, right now we want to create controllers exam, PHP antigen mesh controller exam controller. Where we go to apps. Yeah, I want to send with the test mail. Okay, we create a function send exam. Yeah, refer to the username, for example, email, exam file, and name. Okay, we use the variable from. We want to send to another from your Gmail application. permission my application at gmail.com and choose at gmail.com. Okay, and the subject that we want to show the header subject examination. Okay, when we agree already, I copy the send exam. We go to route web.php. Okay, so I go to resource, right click view and create folders, email. Yes, right click email and I create a file exam. Exam.blend.php. Yeah, refer to the email.exam file here. Okay, so I copy home, go to the exam.blend.php. I delete here. Examination page. Okay, this is page examination. That's all I want to sales. Okay, and I want to send with the URL send exam. We go to browser and run server again. Press enter. Okay, my gosh code. Okay, we configure the mail address, so I log in here. Okay, click the demo inbox. I copy username. We go to the .env file. Just I want to configure the smtp.mailtrap.io. So I pass here password and the domain mail address. Okay, I copy and the hell is already I replace here. Okay, when I configure already, we save and run again. Send exam. Authentication required. Okay, so I refresh server again. Please partition checklist. Okay, run server again. Okay, refresh. Send. Okay, so right now send successfully with the page that I show you. So in next time I want to send the score student via online. So okay, I stop the server again. Yeah, the send says the send mail and student exam. Yes, so we go to mail and you can see the student. So I want to import the as model student use as score. Okay, and this is the bill that I want to send. We will send with the username. Okay, I change email. Yes, email. Refer to the email and the username. Can input here exam. Okay, right now I want to use join to get score. Score join subject ID. Subject ID in the table score. Join student ID. I scored the student ID in score table. Yeah, I want to select the three column subject ID sub ID and subs and score. Okay, right now we addition student dot id get with the student ID. Okay, right now I want to pass the score into the video exam. So we add here. Yes, from email your application. gmail.com and the subject of the header page examination. Yes, with the variable orange. Student the student exam score. Okay, when I create already like this, I want to save and we pass the student and the exam variable to exam double.php, so I want to show here. Okay, and I add a table. Add student ID, entity, we pass variable student ID. So I copy here, name, emails. Okay, so I read the exam. TH subject score. So we read exam subs IDs. So we go to the student exam. Yes, sub ID here. Okay, copies, subject, and score. Yes, when I create the code HTML to read variable already in exam.php, so I want to send. So we go to already we go to exam controller. I want to change code here. Yes, in the header we add the student model. Yes, we add mail student exam. Yes, student exam I import from apps mail student exam here. Okay. So then I want to send, for example, mail to. Okay, we get a student ID, student info, student dot find number one. Yes, via email send and news. So student exam and I student. Yes, and I go to echo send exam success fully. Here and I want to sell. Just so we go to the database and I want to create a student name with the ID one. We go to the student and click the student, insert to student. Okay, and one more student, females. gmail.com. Yes, I pass email here and phone. Okay, click go. So I have two students, number one and number two. So we go to the database again and add the subject for and Photoshop. Yes. Okay, right now I have the subject for. So the student, each one student, they have Khmer, Maths, English, and Photoshop to exam. So we go to and I add the score, or you can design from the HTML form. But right now I don't waste time. I add here. Yeah, student bonds, English, hundreds, and student dash, English, and Maths, Photoshop. Okay, click go. Okay, right now the student 2 have each score by ID here. Because when I create already, so I want to run again. Yeah, refresh. Okay, run the server again. Fresh enter. So we want to send where, for example, send exam. Okay, right now I send exam successfully. We go to and I click. Yeah, you can see the student ID, names, and mail. For example, I want to send student 2. Yes, we refresh the student number 2. Yeah, I refresh again. Okay, this is the student Tidas. Okay, right now I send successfully with the mailtrap domains. So I want to send this with the Gmail. Yes, and I will go to yes, but so I go to the Gmail. We go to the dot env file. So then I want to change. Yeah, this is the we use the Gmail and the .com, and this is the UID mail, for example, show h at gmail.com, and this is the your password. Yeah, but I don't show for you my password, and this is the TSL. Yeah, TSL. or we go to the config to, and you can see the mail, then this is the port, copy here, and this is TLS, oh sorry, yeah, TLS, and ports I pass it. Page when I config already, I want to save. So we run to send to Gmail. Okay, so I want to refresh. Refresh server again. Okay, I want to refresh. Okay, right now we get the other code. So we go to the Gmail. Yes, I log out from L.5.6 student. So we click. Yeah, this is the remix song K8 that I add into the application. Yes, application. So I log. Okay, we go right click the user and click my account. Click sign in and securities, and I scroll down. Yeah, we turn on here. Yes, when I return already, I send again. Okay, the course password not accepted. Okay, please wait a bit. I want to config these errors. Yes, I log in again. I want to show. Press enter. So I to check sign in again. What's problem? Oh, it's not access. Yes, so then I open and I sign out. So then I refresh again. I want to send mail. Send. Refresh here. Okay, so right now send exam successfully. So we go to exam controller. I want to send student number 2. Yeah, input here. So I want to refresh again. Yeah, send exam. Okay, right now I send the student Gmail successfully. Yes, this is the Gmail name. So we log into the Gmail. For example, I log in Gmail here. Okay, I go to Gmail. Okay, this is examination that I sent from my application. Yes, so like here. If you want to the login send, yes, I want to create a username. For example, we register. Okay, right now I want to send mail again. Okay, successfully. So we go to and I want to refresh. Okay, so right now we send successfully. So I want to send from the form. For example, I want to add a request. Yes, if request. Okay, before we create a request code, we go to the create. We call the form function and get form. But the next lesson, I to show you how to send as from the form. Okay, and the next time I will show you the like this form. Yes, when we click the checkbox and I want to send the examination to the student with the Gmail patronage and Gmail set don't run like this while on the internet. But as a default, I want to meet you in the next time. Yes, this lesson I want to finish this part one. So in the last in the last video, I want you to like, share, and subscribe, and especially comment on my video. Okay, so right now say goodbye, and next time meet you again.